So this is the pre-order recursive problem. So we will use pre-order property with the recursive manner. Okay. So we know pre-order means the widget left and right. Okay. If I want to find the pre-order of this, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So widget, then go to the left. Left is nothing. Null is there. Go to the right. Null is there. Then go to the left. Widget 7. Then go to the left. Null is there. Go to the right. Null is there. Come back to 3. Come back to 2. Go to the right of a 2. Then visit the 6. Then go to the left of a 6. Go to the right of a 6. Null. Then 2 is over. Left of a 1 is over. Go to the right. Visit. Right 5. Go to the left of a 5. Null is there. Go to the right of a 5. 8 is there. Then print the 8. Go to the left. Print the 9. Go to the left of 9. Null is there. Go to the right. Null is there. Come back to 8. Go to the right of a 8. Null is there. Come back to 8. So right of a come back to 5. Right of a 5 is over. Come back to 1. Right of a 1 is over. So this is the pre-order of this. So this is the code. How it is working, let's check. So it is taking tree node. Tree node means root. This is the root. Okay, this is the root. So we are taking a vector, and this code say return the vector. Okay, return the vector. So I am taking vector v. So this is the vector v, and I calling the function root with v. Okay, root with v. So I am calling this function. So this is the uh, pre-order function. So I am calling this function. Okay, what I am passing the root pointer and this vector. Okay, v. So I am assessing or receiving the vector v address. This operator is compulsory. Okay, remember, and passing the node. Then if the node is equals to null pointer, then return. So our our root is not a null, so this condition is false. Then it say the push back node value to the vector. So this node value is pushed back to the r vector. Okay, then it say then call again node upper left and v. So we are passing node upper left, 2 is passing 2 is passing again, and v this vector is also passing. Okay, so now go to this. Let's check. It's a uh, node is null pointer. No, 2 is not a null pointer. Okay, so what it say, then print the value. Then print the value. Okay, then 2 is printed. Then it say go to the left of a node. Then again we will go to the left of a 2. Then it is not null. Then print. Then go to the this. Then it's not null. Then print. Go to the left of 4. It is null. So it return nothing. So it comes to the 4. Then it say this line is uh, covered till now for a node 4. Okay, so then we will go to the right and go to the right of a node for node 4, then null, then return back, then go to the right of this. Then 7 is not null, so print the 7. Go to the left of a 7, null is there, return back. Go to the right of a 7, return back, and go to the right of a 3, then return back. So go to the left, go to the back to the 2. The left of a 2 is over. Go to the right of a 2. Then 6 is there. 6 is null. 6 is null. No null. So print the 6. Okay, print the 6. Then Go to the left of a 6, this is null, then return back. Go to the right of a null, return back. So this for a 6, this is completed, then go back to the 2, then right of a 2 is over, then go left, then go back to the 1, then left of a 1 is over, then go to the right. The 5 is there, 5 is null, null, then print. Then go to the left, null is there, so go to the right, the visit the 8, so 8 is not null, so print the 8. Okay, print the 8, then go to the left of 8, there is a 9, 9 is not null, so print the 9. Go to the left of a 9, null is there. Go to the right of a 9, null is there, so come back to this. Left of 8 is over, go to the right, null is there, and then left and right of 8 is over, then come back to the 5, then right of 5 is over, then go back to the 1, right of 1 is over. So whole of this is completed, then we will return what? Then this preorder, this will return the vector this. So this vector is written, and this is the preorder. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 7 6 5 8 9 7 6 5 8 9, both are same. Okay, so this is where this code is working. Okay.